Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to see Kadence theme, how to customize page layout using Customize menu. This is the default view of the Kadence theme page layout. Let's start Customize. Go to Posts, Pages Layout menu, click on Page Layout. Let's start one by one from the options. First, how to show and hide post title. Next, how to show the post title layout. There are two options in Content and Above Content. As default, Above Content is selected. Click on In Content. It will show in the content area. Let's choose Title Container Width. Reset by clicking on the Reset icon to default. Choose Page Title Align. Set Title Container Minimum Height. Show or hide title elements. Breadcrumb and Meta are having more options to customize as well. Next, Default Page Layout Setup. This will show the page with sidebar or without sidebar and full width option as well. Set Page Default Sidebar. Set Content Style Boxed or Unboxed. Set Content Vertical Padding. Show or hide featured image. Set featured image position. Set featured image ratio. Show or hide comments. That's all about the options of single post layout customization. Thank you for watching. See you again in another wonderful video.